Welcome to the Copperfield Electric Podcast. Today we're embarking on a deep dive into a topic that's becoming absolutely essential for California homeowners, choosing the best electrical panels for solar and EV charging. Our mission to, cut through the complexity and equip you, our listener, with the essential knowledge needed to make truly informed decisions for your home's energy future.
It really is amazing how fast things are changing.
Yeah.
And what people often miss is that the electrical panel, that humble box, is right at the center of it all now. With
Yeah.
solar panels, EVs, home batteries becoming so common, your panel isn't just like a simple junction box anymore.
Yeah.
It's really becoming the sophisticated brain of your home's entire energy system.
Yeah.
And honestly, an outdated panel can seriously hold you back.
Hold you back how?
Delay your clean energy projects, add significant unexpected costs down the line. It's a real bottleneck.
That's a critical point.
Yeah.
It's not just about flipping a switch or plugging something in anymore. It's foundational. This deep dive is brought to you by Copperfield Electric. They're a trusted, family-owned, 24-hour electrician right here in Orange County.
Great folks.
Yeah, dedicated to top-quality electrical services across Southern California. They specialize in exactly what we're talking about: panel upgrades, EV charger installations, safety, customer satisfaction. That's their focus. Their team is highly trained, licensed, that's license number 1094740, bonded, insured, and background checked.
That's really important for peace of mind.
Absolutely. And Copperfield Electric proudly serves all of Orange County. Think Irvine, Anaheim, Santa Ana, Costa Mesa, Newport Beach, Laguna Beach, Mission Viejo, and, all the surrounding areas, too. Okay, so let's unpack this a bit more. California's clearly leading the charge, right? Clean energy, Title 24 codes, making new homes solar-ready, EVs everywhere. But for homeowners looking to add solar, maybe a battery, maybe an EV charger, what's the real implication when they look at their existing electrical panel? Is it just plug and play?
Rarely. That's precisely the challenge. California's push for clean energy, it's fantastic, but it has, in some ways, kind of outpaced the electrical infrastructure in a lot of homes. Most older panels, they just weren't designed for these kinds of loads. Think about it. A single EV charger can pull as much power as an entire small house did, a few decades back.
Wow, really?
Yeah. So if your panel's old or just undersized, it becomes a major bottleneck. And it's not just inconvenient. It can mean frustrating delays getting your solar installed, or might force you into really expensive service upgrades you weren't planning on.
So inflating the whole project cost.
Exactly. Which brings up the question, what actually makes a panel solar plus EV ready today? What does that mean?
Good question. So it's not just about having enough slots for breakers, right?
Yeah.
It's the actual capacity, the intelligence behind it.
That's it. Intelligence is a good word. To be truly solar plus EV ready, a panel needs a few critical things. First, definitely looking for 200 amp capacity or higher.
Okay, 200 amps, minimum baseline.
Pretty much, yeah. It's the foundation to comfortably handle solar, an EV or two, other big electric appliances. Second, smart load management. This is a real game changer.
We definitely need to talk more about that one.
We will. Third, seamless battery storage integration. Super important for backup power, energy independence, especially here in California with potential grid issues.
Makes sense.
And finally, circuit level control. This is where it gets really powerful. Imagine not just seeing total usage, but pinpointing, which appliance is drawing power, maybe shutting something off remotely.
Like seeing your energy use circuit by circuit on an app.
Exactly. Finding hidden energy waste, taking back real control over your bill. It's more than just data. It's actionable insight.
The innovation here is it's moving so fast. These sound like fundamental shifts. So let's look at some specific options for 2025. What are the leaders offering these advanced features? Maybe start with the all-in-one types.
Okay, yeah. For someone doing a new build or maybe a major energy upgrade, the Schneider Pulse, sometimes called the Energy Center, is a really strong contender.
Schneider Pulse, okay.
It's basically an all-in-one smart panel. It combines your main panel, the backup interface for batteries, an energy monitor, and a load controller. All in one box.
Streamlined.
Very. It's built to be solar ready, has a nice smart app for control, and handles backup load switching during outages pretty seamlessly. Cost-wise, you're looking at roughly $3,000 just for the panel itself.
$3,000. Okay, that sounds comprehensive. But what if you want, total command, absolute control over every single circuit? I hear the SPAN Smart Panel is interesting ex-Tesla engineers.
That's right. The SPAN panel is really all about control. Developed by former Tesla folks, it gives you complete app-based control over every individual circuit.
Every single one.
Every single one. That level of detail is fantastic for managing battery backup, maybe setting really specific EV charging schedules for time of use rates, smart load shedding. It does it all. Plus, it's microgrid ready, tracks usage in detail, and honestly, it has a really sleek design.
And the cost for that level of control?
A bit more, around $3,500 for the span panel alone.
Okay, span. Got it. What about folks who maybe want a more modular approach? Upgrade gradually, focus on key circuits first. The Leviton Smart Load Center seems to fit there.
Yeah, Leviton's great for modularity. It's a solid panel, and the key is it uses smart breakers, so you can choose which circuits you want to monitor and control individually.
Ah, so you buy the smart breaker separately.
Exactly. It integrates well with solar, generators too. Gives you app alerts, data for each smart circuit, does dynamic load shedding. It offers flexibility. The panel itself, maybe $250 to $400. Then the smart breakers run about $80 to $200 each.
So you can kind of build your smart system piece by piece.
You got it. Tailor it to your needs and budget right now.
Okay, interesting. Now, what if someone has a perfectly good, reliable panel already, maybe an older Eaton CH, but wants some smart features without ripping everything out? Is there a hybrid option?
Yes, absolutely. That's where the Eaton CH panel with Able Edge smart breakers really shines, especially for retrofits.
Able Edge, okay.
Right. If you have a reliable Eaton CH panel, which tons of homes do, you can keep it and just swap out specific breakers for these Able Edge smart ones.
So you target the circuits you care most about, like the EV charger.
Precisely. Get smart control for key loads without that full panel replacement cost. The standard Eaton CH panel itself is pretty affordable, maybe $150 to $250. The Able Edge smart breakers are pricier, maybe $250 to $500 each, but it's a very targeted, often cost-effective upgrade path.
Makes sense for certain situations. I'm looking ahead slightly. What's on the horizon? I heard Siemens has something coming with in-hab smart breakers.
Yeah, Siemens is definitely one to watch. They make trusted, robust panels already. Their upcoming in-hab breakers are interesting. They're talking solid-state technology.
Solid state. What does that mean practically?
Potentially super fast circuit control, really quick fault detection. It could be a more affordable way to get into smart circuit control, an entry point with a clear path to upgrade more later. Their standard panels are in the $200, $300 range now. In-hab pricing is still TBD, but definitely keep an eye on Siemens.
Okay, lots of great options there, covering different needs, different budgets. But when you're actually standing there trying to choose, what are the absolute key features to compare? Let's circle back to that smart load management. Why is that so important? Sounds like it saves money.
It absolutely can. The real magic of smart load management is how it works. These panels, they sense when your total power demand is about to exceed the safe limit of your service.
Before the breaker trips.
Exactly, before it trips. Instead of just shutting everything down, they intelligently, automatically, temporarily turn off lower priority circuits.
Like what?
Well, maybe it pauses the EV charger for 15 minutes while the AC is running full blast, or cycles the water heater off briefly. It acts like this invisible energy manager.
Okay, I see.
It prevents those annoying outages, sure, but the huge benefit. It can help you avoid needing a massive, very expensive 400-amp service upgrade, which might otherwise be required to handle all those new electric loads simultaneously. That upgrade can cost thousands and thousands.
Wow, okay. Avoiding that cost is a massive win. Definitely see the value there. Now, thinking about energy independence, especially here in California, how crucial is truly seamless solar and battery integration? Does it really simplify things?
It's critical. You really want panels designed for easy solar and battery hookup. Look for ones labeled microgrid ready, like the span and Schneider Pulse we mentioned.
Why microgrid ready specifically?
Because they simplify what used to be really complicated backup wiring. But maybe more importantly, they give you app control over which circuits get power during an outage.
Ah, so you choose what stays on.
Precisely. Grid goes down, you decide. Keep the fridge, lights, and modem running. Maybe let the pool pump stay off. It makes your battery last way longer and power what truly matters. It's much smarter than just backing up the whole house blindly.
Makes total sense. And with EVs booming, how do these panels handle that big charging load? Especially if you have, say, 2 EVs.
Yeah, EV compatibility is huge. Smart panels handle this really well. Some can actually prioritize or even throttle down the EV charging speed automatically if the house needs power elsewhere, making sure you stay within your service limit.
So it prevents overload even with multiple chargers.
Yes, especially useful for multiple EVs or homes with, say, only 100 amp or under 150 amp service trying to add charging. Plus, panels like Span and Leviton let you schedule charging easily.
For off-peak rates.
Exactly. Set it to charge only when electricity is cheapest overnight. Saves money automatically without you even thinking about it.
Okay, last feature comparison point. This is a major piece of infrastructure. What about build quality, warranty, long-term reliability?
Super important. You want this panel to last decades, right? So build quality is paramount. Look for panels using solid copper bus bars.
Copper bus bars. Why copper?
Better conductivity. More durable than aluminum over the long haul. You also want tight, secure connections for the breakers themselves and a sturdy, weather-resistant enclosure, especially for outdoor installs. And check the warranty. Good brands like Schneider, Eaton, they often offer lifetime or solid 10-year warranties. That says a lot about their confidence in the product.
Okay, so we've covered the tech, the options, the features. Bringing it all together, what are the tangible real-world benefits for a California homeowner making this upgrade? What do they actually get?
Well, the benefits really stack up. First, very often lower electric bills. That circuit-level tracking lets you finally see where your energy is going.
Find the energy hogs.
Exactly. Cut waste. Plus, you optimize your solar usage better, use more of your own free power.
And for people with batteries.
Big benefit. Battery backup optimization. Like we said, you control exactly what stays on during an outage, makes your battery way more effective, last longer, keep critical things running.
And that point about the expensive upgrades.
Huge one. Avoiding costly service upgrades. That smart load balancing genuinely can delay or completely eliminate the need for that big 400-amp panel and service upgrade. That saves thousands up front.
So it's really about setting your home up for the future, too.
Absolutely. It's future-proofing. Your electrical system becomes ready. Add more solar later. Easy. Get a second EV. No problem. Add a battery down the road. The foundation is there. No need for another panel swap in 5 years.
Grows with you.
Right. And beyond just your house, there's a bigger picture benefit, too. Carbon emissions reduction. When your panel seamlessly integrates your solar, your EV charging, your battery, your home becomes an active part of building a cleaner grid. It's personal action with a real impact.
Those are really compelling reasons. Okay, so someone's convinced, they're ready to look into this. Before they jump in, what are the crucial tips? What do they absolutely need to know first?
Number one, without a doubt, get a licensed electrician. Please, this is not a weekend DIY project.
Definitely not.
You need a certified pro who understands these smart systems, the codes, the safety requirements. Companies like Copperfield Electric, they specialize in this stuff. Smart panels, EV chargers, solar integration across Orange County and Southern California. Their expertise is crucial.
Makes sense. Safety first. What else?
Plan for growth. Think long term. Even if you're just starting with solar now, might you add an EV in 3 years? A battery in 5? Maybe a heat pump water heater.
So choose a panel that can scale.
Exactly. Get a panel with enough space and capacity, maybe one that's easily upgradable with smart breakers later. It saves a lot of hassle and expense down the road compared to replacing it again.
Good advice. Anything else? Maybe something that helps with the cost?
Yes. Always look for incentives. Federal tax credits, state rebates, local utility programs. They change, but there are often incentives available for panel upgrades, EV chargers, batteries.
So ask your installer.
Definitely. Ask your installer, like Copperfield Electric, what's currently available. It can significantly lower the net cost of the project.
Okay, great tips. So wrapping this up, choosing the right electrical panel in California now. It's clearly about much more than just capacity. It's about flexibility, getting insights, having control over your home's energy future.
That's really it.
This smart panel technology is evolving so quickly, and it really empowers you, not just protecting your home, but actively optimizing it for clean energy, lower bills, long-term savings. It leads to the question, what kind of energy future do you want to build for your home?
And if you are ready to upgrade that energy brain of your home, or maybe just want to learn more about getting your home ready for this smarter future, Copperfield Electric is right there for Orange County homeowners.
They offer smart, solar-ready, EV-compatible panel upgrades designed for your specific needs.
Yep, tailored solutions.
Ready to take the next step? You can schedule a smart panel evaluation or a professional consultation. Their licensed electricians will check out your current setup, look for any old wiring issues, make sure everything meets California codes and safety standards for that future-ready system.
Get a proper assessment.
Exactly. For reliable, affordable electrical services, you can contact Copperfield Electric. The number is 626-622-9694. Let Copperfield Electric take care of the lights so you can focus on what you need to do.